SLS 3D printing, a powerful tool. First made accessible by our easy-to-use printer that created the fastest-growing community of SLS users in the world. But lately, the world demands we iterate faster than ever. So we made our next-generation printer twice as fast. Introducing Fuse 1 Plus 30 Watt, a compact SLS printer with an industrial punch. Unlock same-day printing with industrial-grade materials and nitrogen purge compatibility for in-house carbon fiber printing. Building on a reliable end-to-end workflow, Fuse 1 Plus boasts a powerful 30-watt laser that sinters prints in hours, so you can start and finish parts the same day. Re-engineered components enable the use of exclusive materials and enhance mechanical properties across our entire materials library. Plus, we reached a major milestone, zero waste printing, enabling lower cost per part so you can deliver maximum output and minimum waste, while providing whatever the world may need tomorrow and today. Fuse 1 Plus 30 Watt, industrial quality parts in hours, not days.